Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to convert centimeter per second to kilometer per hour, right? Okay, I will convert centimeter per second to kilometer per hour based on two methods. So let me show the first method. Okay, before going into main section, let me give you some basic point, right? Okay, we know that kilometer is greater than meter and meter is greater than centimeter, right? We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, right? On the other hand, we have to convert second to hour. That is, we know that hour is greater than minute and minute is greater than second, right? So this is the basic point, right? I will tell you later. Okay, first method. Uh, to apply first method, let me take an example. Let's say we have to convert 200 centimeter per second to kilometer per hour, right? Okay, so how will do that? So in the first method, I will just rewrite this 200 centimeter per second. So I can write 200 times 1 centimeter divided by 1 second. Just I am rewriting this. I am not doing anything, right? So now I have to put value the 1 centimeter, right? So how can I put value this? Look at here. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. At first we have to convert this centimeter to meter, then we have to convert meter to kilometer. So now let me put this. So we have 200 times the value of 1 centimeter. Here we have to find out, right? So I can just rewrite 1 meter equal to 100 times 1 centimeter. So from here I am getting 1 meter divided by 100 equal to 1 centimeter. That is, we are getting the value of 1 centimeter is 1 meter by 100. So I will write it 1 meter divided by 100, right? Times 1 by 1 cent. I am just here I am getting value. I am putting value of 1 centimeter from here. Then I have to write 1 by 1 second, right? Just I am rewriting. Okay. Now we have to put value of 1 meter, right? Okay. So how can I put value of 1 meter? Look at here. 200 times. Okay, 1 by 100 I can write, then I can write 1 meter, then I can write 1 by 1 second, right? So we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, right? We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, right? So now I can rewrite 1 kilometer equal to 1000 times 1 meter. Now I'll get the value of 1 meter. So 1 kilometer divided by 1000 equal to 1 meter. So now I have to put value of 1 meter. 200 times 1 by 100 times 1 meter, that is 1 kilometer divided by 1000, right? And here we are also getting 1 by 1 second, right? So we have converted centimeter to kilometer. Now we have converted this second to hour, right? Because we have to go from centimeter to kilometer, then we have to go second to hour. So now we'll go second to hour. So what we know that 1 minute equal to 60 second, right? So we can just rewrite 1 minute equal to 60 times 1 second. I can write SEC or 1S. Then 1 minute divided by 60 equal to 1 second, right? 1 second. So I'll put value of 1 second here. So let me put 1 by 100 times 1 kilometer divided by 1000 times 1 by 1 second means 1 by 100, that is 1 minute divided by 60. 1 minute divided by 60. So let me rewrite it. 200 times 1 by 100 times 1 kilometer divided by 1000 times 60. This 60 will come above by 1 minute, right? Now we have to convert this minute to hour, right? So how to convert that? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minute, right? So I can just rewrite 1 hour equal to 60 times 1 minute. From here I can get 1 hour divided by 60 equal to 1 minute. So let me put the value of 1 minute here. 200 times 1 by 100 times 1 kilometer divided by 1000 times 60 divided by the value of 1 minute is 1 hour divided by 60. So what I can write now, 200 times 1 by 100 times 1 kilometer divided by 1000 times 60. This 60 will come above by 1 hour. Ace or ACER, you can write anything. I will write just Ace, right? So now we have been able to convert kilometer per hour, right? Now let me, this 0 0 this 0 this will cancel out, right? Then this 0 this 0 this 0 this will cancel out, and we are getting here 2 times 1 kilometer divided by 10 times 6 times 6, that is we are getting here 2 times 36. If you multiply 6 times 36 kilometer divided by 10, okay? So here look at here, 6 times 6, then we have here 1 hour. So let me write 1 hour. So 1 hour, right? You can delete this one, we can automatically assume this, right? So 6 times 6 36, 2 and 10. So let me use my calculator now. So look at this calculator. We have to multiply 2 times 36, right? So 2 times 36 equal to divided by this 10. So we are getting 7.2, right? 7.2 kilometer per hour. That is, we are getting here 200 centimeter per second. Centimeter per second, that is, sorry, let me write it good. We are getting 200 centimeter per second equal to 7.2 kilometer per hour, right? Okay, let me show you the alternative method to convert 200 centimeter per second to kilometer per hour. So let me delete everything. Okay, now I am going to show the second way. In our second way is consist of 3 steps. So in the first step, what will I do? I will just write the equivalence between centimeter to kilometer, but unfortunately there is no equivalence between centimeter and kilometer, but we have the equivalence between meter and centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That is, we can convert centimeter to meter first. Then we have the relationship meter with kilometer. That is, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, right? Okay. Then we have to write the relationship between second and hour, but there is no direct relationship between second and hour, but we have the relationship between second with minute. So we know that 1 minute equal to 60 second, and then we have the relationship minute with hour, that is 1 hour equal to 60 minute. We need these basic 4 equivalents to convert centimeter per second to kilometer per hour, right? So in the second step, what will I do? Let me show. In the second step, I will write the conversion factor, right? So from every equivalence we will get 2 conversion factor. Let me give you just one example here. So from this equivalence you can write 2 conversion factor. If you take centimeter as a numerator, then you have to take meter as a denominator. Then you have to write 100, you have to write the associated number. With centimeter you have 100, and with meter you have 1 here, and this every conversion factor will be equal to 1, and then you can take meter as a numerator and centimeter as a denominator, so you will just take opposite of it. So we are getting here 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter equal to 1, and from this relationship you will get also 2 conversion factor like this, and from here you will get also 2, from here you will get also 2. The interesting news is that we don't need to memorize this conversion factor. This will come to our calculation automatically, right? So let me delete it. Okay, in the third step, what I'll do, I will write the problem. Let's say would like to convert 20 200 centimeter per second to kilometer per hour, right? So I can just rewrite 200 times centimeter divided by s, right, times 1. That is, I can just write here 1, and this one doesn't have actually any value. I can just rewrite this. This 1 for conversion factor that we got in the second step, right? We know that conversion, we don't need to memorize conversion factor. Conversion factor will come automatically. So what will I do? I'll write 20 centimeter, 200, right? And I can write here any number of 1, and this will not change our value, right? I can write any number of 1 here. Okay. Look here, would like to cancel this centimeter, and would like to cancel centimeter, and would like to convert centimeter to meter. So if I want to cancel centimeter, then I have to take centimeter as a denominator, and then with centimeter we have the relationship of meter. With meter we have the number 1, and with centimeter we have the number 100. So this centimeter will cancel each other, right? So we are getting here 100. Okay, look at here. Now would like to convert this meter to kilometer by using this relationship. So I will write here another conversion factor, and here I would like to cancel meter. This meter, this meter. With meter we have the relationship of kilometer, and with meter we have number 1000, and with kilometer we have number associated 1, right? So we have been able to convert centimeter to kilometer already. So now we have to convert second to hour, that is this second. Now if I want to cancel this second, then I have to turn another second here, so that I can easily cancel this second, right? So with second we have the relationship of minute, right? Look at this here, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So we have number 60 with second, and with minute we have number 1. Now we have been able to convert second to minute. Now we have to convert this minute to hour. So I will take another conversion factor here, right? So I would like to cancel minute. With minute we have the relationship of hour, that is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Look at this relationship, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So this minute will cancel each other, and we are getting here hour, right? So write what we are getting here. 20 times 1 by 100 times 1 kilometer divided by 1000 times 60 divided by 1 hour. So this 2 0 will cancel each other, and this 0 and this 0 will cancel each other, and we are getting here 2 times 6 divided by, we are getting here just 10, and we are getting here kilometer by hour. So now we have to use our calculator, right? So 2 times 6 times 6, that gives us 72 divided by 10. So we are getting here 7.2 kilometer per hour. That is 200 centimeter per second equal to 7.2 kilometer per hour. So this is the system, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.